Hey guys, Godzilla851 here with my next unboxing video from G-Fest 2015. Alright, and it is the Godzilla 1968 first appearance in the film Destroy All Monsters. This suit was used several times after Destroy All Monsters, and awesome movies. Let's dig in. Okay. Alright, so here he is inside the plastic packaging. Alright, let's get him out of this. Alright, so, got Godzilla, and got his tail, and get his little bootsies and gloves off. Okay, and, once again, this guy has a date with a blow dryer. Be right back. Okay, so Godzilla 1968. Gorgeous piece. Okay, this is his right side. Like he's in attack mode, fighting King Ghidorah. Okay. Just awesome. Okay, this is his left side. Now, back to the front. Just awesome. Okay, let's bring it in for a closer look. Okay. Alright, so first off we have Godzilla's face. And you get a good look at his hand as well. Okay. Got the tree bark skin. Kind of like the grayish skin. Almost like a bluish color. Grayish blue kind of look to it. I don't know, I might be going colorblind, but you know, it seems to be a little tint in it. Well, each tooth is sculpted. Awesome look for the eyes. Let's turn to the right. Don't really see the ears, but whatever. Okay. Let's look at this gorgeous skin around the back. There's his neck. Now, I noticed in some of these future / earlier films, such as Destroy All Monsters for this Godzilla, the dorsal plates seem a little simple, and that's not really a bad thing. It's just something I've noticed. Okay, now this is his left side. Okay, now back to his face. Okay, let's look at the chest. Here's his chest. Okay. Move it over to the right. Get a better look at his dorsal plates now. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. Very movie accurate. Okay. Now, let's take a look at the legs. Okay, so now we have the legs. Nice thin legs. Have the 3-toe set up again, just like the 62 Godzilla. I love the paint work with his nails. Okay. Okay, you got the hips coming down. Great sculpt with the knees. He brings it down into the foot. And here we see a little thing to be worried about when placing the tail on. Now, the tail this dorsal plate here, you can see, is just about to rub. Here, let's bring it for a closer look. You can see how close these two dorsal plates are. When placing the tail in, you gotta be careful because they might rub together and might break off a dorsal plate, and you seriously don't want to do that. Speaking of around the tail, here is the tail. Nice and flat on the ground. Okay, bring him around. Okay. Yeah, that's Godzilla 1968. Alright, time for final thoughts. Alright. So, Godzilla 1968. Gorgeous, gorgeous X Plus figure. I'm so happy to have him as well, add him to the collection. And I've said this in previous videos, you guys are probably tired of hearing me say this, but I'm running out of room to put these. But, you know, it's what they say, good problems. Okay? Now, I got him for a good price at G-Fest. Please don't ask me what it was, because I completely forget. But I'm going to put a link in the description for Big Bad Toy Store, because they still have him for sale there as well, and he's a very good price there. So, yeah. Well, that is Godzilla 68. One final look at the box. Okay, well, this is Godzilla 851 saying goodnight. I hope you guys enjoyed. Alright, bye.